Hey there everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. And on today's episode of Lars Mobile, I'm gonna show you how to create a new account in the game. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. So first thing first, open up your Lars Mobile game. And once you're in the game, head over to Lars Mobile settings. In order to access Lars Mobile settings, just tap on the arrow button that is located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you tap on the arrow button, you should see a settings icon. Go ahead and tap on it. Once you're inside settings, just tap on account. And you should see a create new account option right here. Go ahead and tap on it. So I just created a new account and I have a new kingdom. So I can create my account while I am in my new kingdom. But if you guys have been playing Lars Mobile for a while, then this message shouldn't pop up in your screen. Just select a platform that you want to create your new account with. And you should be able to create your new account through it. So that's it for today's video guys. I hope you guys learned how to create a new account on Lars Mobile. But if you still have any confusion, feel free to leave your queries down in our comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful videos as such. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you never miss our future videos. Thanks for watching.